So yo, what's good mga kawalo? JhazzyEight in this piece again from JhazzyEight Voiceover Advertisement, nagbabalik. So today is our first ever video for voiceover advertisement, sponsored by 1870 Streetwear. 1870 Streetwear. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this advertisement step by step, from voiceover to video presentation. So stick around. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na i-upload pa natin soon. Alright, pinapawisan ako. Let's do this. Let's eat it. Let's roll the intro in 3, 2, 1. Step number 1. Prepare the script. Step 2. Let's do the voice recording. Are you looking for streetwear with a unique design? Here is for you. 1870 Streetwear, Grind Time, Monogram, 1870 Classic, Antipolo Bandana, Hustle Till I'll Die, Represent Your City, 1870 Snapback. Price starts at 500. Free delivery around Antipolo area. 1870 Streetwear, from streets with pride, from nothing to success. And for the final step, video presentation. Alright, tapos na tayo sa ating final step. So let's roll the advertisement. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, bang! Are you looking for a streetwear with a unique design? Here is for you. 1870 Streetwear, with a bunch of t-shirt designs like Dream Big Antipolo, Grind Time, Monogram, 1870 Classic, Antipolo Bandana, ACD, Hustle Till I Die, 1870 OG logo, Hometown, and Antipolo shirt with the colors of black and white, and Represent Your City, 1870 Snapback also available with free box and stickers. Price starts at 500. Free delivery around Antipolo area. For orders, message 1870 Streetwear Facebook page. 1870 Streetwear, from streets with pride, from nothing to success. At yon, that's all for today's video. And that's how voiceover advertisement works. Kung okay lang, pwedeng i-share nyo to sa mga friends nyo, no? And tag all the business owner na makakilala nyo. Friends and acquaintances. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. At see you on my next video. JhazzyEight in this piece from JhazzyEight Voiceover Advertisement. Peace out.